Up at it. Whoop. Number. I'm telling you, this little thing here is getting murdered.
You way low.
Not again, is it? Ah, fuck. Fucking high point. This is a gun that is just giving us so much fucking hell. All right. There you go. All righty.
Low. Raise it up a little bit. Shoot high. So try to hit the top of the target.
It's already jammed again? Mm-hmm. All right. Hold on. I tell you, for some reason, this Russian ammo just...
It ain't the ammo, bro.
Oh, it is the ammo, bro. I had this son of a bitch service not that long ago, and it was working just fine.
You gotta clean your weapon.
A cleaner. No! No! Just run up there and beat that fucking bastard with it. And that one over there just really, You know, yours hasn't jammed not one time. I want to shoot yours, Zach. Because this one here ain't where it's at. Yep, that's it. She's done. All right. Let me see that badass gun of yours there.
You shoot your stuff there?
I just put it over here in my two guns.
No. Video.
No, it's still rolling. Huh?
You good? You want me to?
All right.
It's already in there, man. I told you it's hot.
Yeah. Not used to being able to fire, I'm not used to it. Yeah. Hold on, let me, I'm gonna grab my, my 9mm here, load her up, see if I can't,
Well, nice.
That motherfucker is sweet.
Oh,
Very little fucking recoil.
You ain't seen the Ruger like.
I don't get why this isn't wanting to feed.
Well, use the regular mag and see what it does.
Yeah.
Instead of the extended.
Yeah, I have to now, unfortunately. Where's my regular?
It's right here.
Oh, that's for the 45.
Oh, okay.
I need the 9 mag. And I thought I had her, but I don't. I know I had one. Fuck that. I know I had one because it came with one. Uh-oh, Spectrum. Better watch out, homie. Come down here.
Try to be, hey, Spectrum be all right.
Try to be rolling out this bitch. These motherfuckers.
This 9?
Yeah, that's all 9. You're like, these motherfuckers are crazy. Fuck that.
What you do with the one that you ejected out?
Put it in this clip. Then there's some more in the 17 round clip. It didn't fucking do shit, hardly.
What's your name? Lisa. Lisa, nice to meet you.
Oh, this is my buddy Shay Lisa. I'm sorry for it.
Having fun? Ain't too bad. You do? Well, yeah, we crazy. What are you doing on top of the roof? Putting the bar down. He was working.
Let's see what we got here.
I said I used to have a 380 LC.
Okay. All right. So it's the clip.
It is a clip, huh?
Yep.
Because that did not, that didn't have the same shit.
You said you said 380? Okay.
Holy shit. Where are they at now?
Stolen.
Yeah,
Lost.
one got stolen and the other one got confiscated.
Motherfuckers. All right. Wish I would have got that on
Underground Master here. Let's show the real deal.
Oh,
The
stop.
technician. The technician,
Stop.
baby. Shit, I don't want to shoot that far. Shit, I wish I had my glasses on so I could see.
That's helpful.
I know, right? I'm gonna try to hit the tree.
You gonna try to hit the tree right in front of us?
Yep.
All right, hit it.
Did I hit it?
Yeah. Fucking putting plugs in it.
Oh, boy, it's good.
Damn, yeah. Still got another shot?
Yep. Try to see if I can hit that. Missed that.
Here, hold this. I'll show you how it's done.
I got you.
How many, what's your capacity on that clip?
12, but I put one in the chamber, and then I put 12 in the clip.
I hit the tree. Fuck it.
You think so? You hit it.
Okay, hit him.
Hit him up.
Oh, fuck. So, okay, guys. Basically, all it was my my extended clip, for whatever reason, is causing jams. When the billet comes out, it comes out and it wants to do this number, where it's pointed down instead of going into the breech of the barrel. But this clip is just fine. So, I guess with the 9, at least as far as I'm concerned, we'll be using the 9 round clip here. So as long as it works, 45, it doesn't. I don't know what's going on with it. I will be cleaning that gun when I get home tonight, so it doesn't even matter. But I will take a look at its clip because it's having the same issue where it's wanting to load into the breech going down instead of going right into the breech. So basically, here we go. All right. Now I want to shoot something that we can actually. Hold on. 1 second. Hey Lisa, can you throw me that bottle? That Mountain Dew bottle? I'm gonna pop that son of a bitch up and blast it. Okay. Throw that motherfucker right here. Oh! Hopefully you don't have fucking cooties. So I just got cooties in my fucking hand.
Right. I got some hand sanitizer. You gonna put it on top?
Yeah, because I want to see it.
Let's see if he can hit it,
There's
folks.
nothing in it, so it won't explode. But I want to see that motherfucker go flying off.
All right, we gonna see. We gonna see.
We'll see. All right.
Let's zoom right on in there. Miss. Miss.
Not miss.
There we go. Okay.
And we're going to check that fucker out, too. Oh, is it too high or what? All right. Hold on. Let me check this motherfucker out. I shot a little 8-shot, 3 shot at the ground. So out of all that,
What do we see?
just one, and it doesn't go all the way through, which is odd. It must have just caught the side of it. So the gun is really shooting to the left.
Yeah.
All right. So the gun's shooting to the left. All right. We'll sight the gun back in. Now that I know it's like shooting to the left, probably a little high, I will compensate. And I have to compensate with, well, we're down to, on the 9mm, just a handful of bullets. You know, like I said, guys, this has been a great year for the other morning show. Special report, random BS. All right.
I always had a couple extra propane tanks. So
Oh no, we don't want them. There it is.
There it is. Once you figure out where your gun's shooting at, then you adjust accordingly, and you make it
he
happen.
looks like Fat Albert with that fucking hat on, don't he?
There we go.
Scared all the poor wildlife away.
I know. Poor deer.
Yeah, if you guys would have waited a minute, we could have blasted a squirrel and them all over.
Oh, they ran over there to the left.
was
As soon as
I
we,
didn't see
yeah,
what
as
fucking
soon as we started shooting.
I would have killed him.
I should have some more in the clip. I think, unless we shot them all.
More 9mm?
Yeah.
No, they're all. The only ones 9 will be
Okay.
in here. I don't want to shoot all my bullets just in case there's some trouble on the way back home. Don't want to have. Now I want to see what the 45 is going to do.
You want to put the
I'll put the thing back up.
should put 2 of them out there.
Do you got another bottle or something, Mike? Anything? You about
There's
finished with
trash
that beer?
all over the fucking place around here.
Oh, I don't see no fucking shit. I don't see no bottle. Now with this bitch, I already know I'm gonna have some jamming fucking issues.
No, you got the short clip.
No, this is the 45. 45 always jams. Or I have to jam it every time I shot the motherfucker.
Right, right.
Oh, we ain't about a symbol.
Not the symbol.
Play a tune on that.
What is this? The symbol?
Yeah.
But you had to nail it up there somewhere. Like you got a hammer and a nail, you can nail it right. Oh, that's nice.
Right like that.
I don't know if it's gonna come back around.
I don't think it ricochet.
No. I'm saying,
It's just gonna give it. It's just gonna go.
no, it ain't gonna ricochet. It's moving.
Oh, great!
In the wind, a moving target, baby. See if you got some skills.
All right.
I'm gonna have to fix him up.
I didn't hear nothing. I didn't hear no church hymn.
I didn't hear shit on that. Oh, and I got this fucking bastard, dude. This is why I wish I had a fucking revolver. I think it's probably the same fucking deal. It's probably to the right. Oh, whoa.
Yeah.
It ain't.
To the right.
It ain't right. Way right.
Yeah, it's way right. Hold on.
Hey. No.
No, I can't
Yeah.
because of the people. All right.
Neighbor.
Come on, Win. Dead center.
Oh, you hit her.
So by hit her to the. Okay, I see where I'm at.
There you go.
Hold on. Really? The fucking bad guy was right there.
Right. He ran up on you,
Oh, I'm fucked.
not me.
No, he ran this way. He'll get.
He's getting away.
Yeah, huh? Hold on.
You done took off with everything.
What about the
It's
up top? Somebody, a sniper on top.
Hold on, let me get the sniper. Hold on, sniper. Let me reload. My
Right? Are you dead?
My little misfires here. It's weird. I don't know which way it's going. I know it's not going straight.
I think he was right. It's going to the right and down.
I think so. Hold on. Here, Mike, hold this. You'll be up next. I'm only gonna load in like 3 shots because we already know the bitch is gonna fucking jam.
No, I don't know if it's the weapon. It might be the user.
Oh, fuck you. It's a fucking weapon.
We'll see.
Right. We're gonna see here in just a moment. Stay tuned. Special
Better
report.
also, as you're shooting, come up at your target.
Yep.
Well, this shows how it's done there.
You
Shows how it's fucking done.
You shoot a little lower than what you aiming for.
I want to take a picture of that fucking little play fucking house up there. That's been shot to fucking hell. Yeah, it's not as easy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, jam.
Oh, fuck me, dude.
You gotta get you a
Hey,
better quality.
what, right? Or pistol?
We were fine letting that some bitch hit the ground every time.
Where the fuck is the?
You hit something.
What? Yeah, where was it?
You shooting at
I don't
either the Mountain Dew or down there?
Simple.
Oh, it's jam.
2 times. Well, you're gonna get a lot of comments after this, but
Yeah, I'm saying high point shit, bro. Don't you know?
now you know. If you don't know, now you know.
This is the problem with High Point. So Henry, if you're watching, I'm gonna be bringing this bitch down there Monday, or not Monday, fucking Wednesday.
What did that hit?
Nothing.
I seen wood fly.
You might have seen wood fly, but I've seen ducks fly.
I mean, I'm
They don't
aiming
hit
at a
shit.
goddamn target. It shouldn't have.
Hit that. Go for the
Low.
symbol.
That's what I'm aiming at.
It's out. It's out.
Oh. Let me show you guys. See now, right there shows you it's not as easy. as
We
one
should
thing.
fix that symbol to where it's. Shooting into a rock. Fucking.
Jam.
Jam.
Oh, jam.
Jam.
Teddy, jam for me. Do, 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 do. Don't get mad now.
Nothing there. Hold on, guys. Hold on, bad guys. Don't run away. Don't run away.
I got a
shoot him in the leg. Time, quit it.
I got a couple revolvers, so I'm good. I got a problem solver.
Shooting.
We was shooting a 50 cal one day, man.
Were you?
Huh?
You shot a 50 cal out here? Ooh-wee, that was
How bad
loud.
was the progression on that bit?
Oh, it was severe, dude.
I can imagine.
Yeah. We were also shooting Ben one day. We got a bulletproof vest online.
Right.
Yeah, we're shooting. He's like, all right, I don't want nobody else shooting me but Mike. I was like, no, I ain't doing it, dude. I'm not that good at shot, you know. This old lady grabs the gun from me and goes, now get over there. And she starts shooting him in the back, you know. And she starts going up and up and up. And I mean, she's like that far from his neck. And I was like, get that fucking gun, you stupid fish. Oh,
Ooh.
yeah. He's just
Hell
sitting there
no.
taking it too. And I was like, we're not going to see how far we can get. And the kids have all got their phones out, you know. But I'm like, every one of you boys erase that shit right now. I could just see the school calling me. Yeah, we got your son's phone. No,
Right.
out there shooting.
We found some videos.
If we was doing it with the BB gun and pellet gun in the house.
Oh, get it.
But yeah, it just kept creeping up his back. I was give me a fucking.
You don't get it? It's jam.
So she didn't like him, obviously.
All those two love each other to death.
You missing it.
I don't.
She's the one that fucking did my yard up right there.
Oh, the nice little yard job.
Yeah.
All right. Let me get a little closer. Because for whatever reason, Dumbo is just like basically out of my range right there. There's only one fucking hole in it.
You gotta go over here. You gotta come over here.
Yeah. Or we hang it somewhere, dude. That'd be good. Oh, we got
You didn't.
Shit!
You didn't hit the symbol.
I shot the
Chain.
goddamn chain. Fuck. Holy shit. Alright, fuck this, man. Damn, fuck you, symbol. Fuck, dude. I would never hit that motherfucker goddamn million years, man. Fucking pop the goddamn pins. I'll get you a new fucking chain, brother.
You hear that?
Fuck! That was fucking.
Let's see what it looked like. Hold on. Folks, True Power has shot the damn chain off the swing. The symbol is embedded into the ground. Let's see if we can get with 1, 2, only 2, 3. You double hit one.
I double hit one.
Yeah. But the infamous bottle is still standing. I'm just saying. This is crazy. Crazy. Crazy for you. Were you getting closer?
Yeah, I'm taking out the goddamn sniper on the roof. His ass is there.
No, you gotta come over here though. You gotta come over to the left. Left. Left.
I'm gonna come to my left. I'm gonna be shooting that away.
You can shoot the other direction all you want.
Over here?
There ain't nothing up that way.
What's over there?
Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing but woods. All straight up behind us, and all straight up in front of us is nothing but woods. Just a trailer court over there on the other side of the power line,
Okay.
and that's it.
You over there jammed?
Probably. I haven't shot this motherfucker until I already jammed.
Dude, that's crazy you guys showed up because I was just getting ready to call you. I couldn't find my ladder.
Right?
And I was like, man, we burned it some bitch. I called Ron. I was going to call you next to see if you come by and snag it. You know, while gone or something. Because I was like, man, I know nobody come up there and stole my fucking ladder.
Right.
I just don't
They definitely not coming now.
I just don't never have nothing missing, you know?
Right. So where was it at?
So I kind of, it was buried under some bunch of some of my shit. I was like, damn, that's pretty bad, man. You got so much
You hit it
crap.
by yourself. You said, no, I didn't put it there.
Right, right.
Did it?
Oh, you gonna cheat? You gonna get that close?
Totally cheap, yeah. Fuck you, bottle.
Cheater. Cheater.
Now we're gonna fucking finish off this fucking symbol.
Yeah.
Dude, you're the one that son of a bitch up.
What's that?
Wind it up or it's staying on you.
Alright. At this range, it shouldn't even fucking matter. At this range.
So-
One more.
It's 4 turns.
Fucking headshot. Bitch. Right
Okay.
there. Right above the middle, which I was aiming for.
I see it.
Alright.
You hit it through the middle too.
You want to shoot another round, man?
Looks like you got about one left there.
Yeah. I'm about to talk it
For the road.
Because
For the road.
I hate having empty guns.
I know.
You know what I mean? No, I hate like just in case I need to do something. I have no bullets.
Seen on the news yesterday where a little 12-year-old killed his sister because he is
Playing around with the gun.
playing
Yep.
around, found his parents' gun in the
Yep.
door. Fuck it, you know.
Alright, for one, guys, straight up, don't ever leave the sumbitch in the drawer. And if you do leave it in a drawer, make sure you have a trigger lock on the fucker.
Yeah.
Period.
Safety.
You know,
What it was,
Or
16-year-old.
flip out of it.
16-year-old was watching 2 little kids, and a
Right.
little boy found a gun and shot his sister and killed her.
That's bullshit, guys. Bullshit.
It is.
Click.
Heard that.
Yeah,
That's bullshit too. Missed it.
I did not miss.
Missed, left.
Hold on, bad guy. You know the drill.
Let me go ahead and put my
Hold on, I'm
toys
gonna
to
shoot
work.
that motherfucker right in the hand.
Let's see.
Go
You
ahead.
can't. Now it's it ain't. You know you're gonna miss
Hit the
that.
fucking chain, but you can't hit.
Oh, you guys fucking quit it.
Hit the chain, can't hit the symbol.
I cannot fucking believe that fucking shot. I was not aiming for the chain. Damn.
They like that dirt.
Yeah, it does. All right, I think I'm all out, guys.
All right.
No, one more.
You sure? Sound like it fooled you. All right.
And shit. And we got all these bullets just fucking chilling about in the goddamn.
You ready? You want me to end this?
Yeah, you can end it. Hey, it's been special report. 2018's fucking done. Catch me January 2nd, 2019. We're going to start off the show. Probably had LA Mazzulli on. And try to get Mark from Anaheim, Judge Joe Brown, you know, usual suspects. Peace.